Hey guys, I'm Thomas, and I'm here today to give you guys the rundown of the fundraising website being launched today on January 17th. Some of you may already know a lot of the information I talk about in this video, but a couple things have changed since last year, so bear with me. The example shown is for a team fundraising page, but the information that I'm going to talk about applies to everyone making a fundraising page, including volunteers and those making their own personal pages. Now, for this video, I've specifically chosen the two most technologically challenged people that I know. Trust me, if they can do it, so can all of you. Hey guys, how's the fundraising page going?
You know, Thomas, it would be going a lot better if someone could figure out how to actually log on.
Ella, you're the captain for a reason. This is your job.
Ella, you're supposed to be supportive of me. Honestly, what are you even doing?
Left. Look how much money's already been raised.
Do you see that money? We've raised none of it. Do you know why? There's no website.
See what I mean? Alright, you guys obviously need help. For starters, you're on the wrong website. This is last year's website. I don't even know how you guys got here.
To start, go to asonewhoserves.ca, which is the same URL I talked about at live launch, except now, instead of taking you to the temporary site that's been up since launch, you'll now be taken to the online fundraising site. In this video, Ella is signing up her team, the Road Rascals. Ella is going to begin by clicking on the Join the Campaign icon located at the bottom of the screen. This is going to take you to an account creation page where she can create a personalized account for her and her team. To create an account, you must enter an email and password of your choice. Ella chose to use her school email, but you may use a personal email as well. If you get an error saying that this account already exists, it's probably because you still have your account from a previous year. Just click Log In. Either way, once you've got your account, you're going to be prompted to finish your profile. Enter your first and last name, and pick a profile photo. Ella had a profile picture related to her team name already picked out, but if you haven't chosen one yet, you can always skip this step and come back to it once your page has been created. Also let us know if this page is for an individual or for a team. Ella is now going to pick a display name, which is what will appear at the top of her page and on the home page. As you can see, the website has defaulted Ella's page name and URL to her name. Ella is going to change both the page and URL name to her team name, the Road Rascals. If you are a volunteer or making an individual page, you can skip this step. Now that Ella has made the appropriate changes to her page, she can set a goal for her team. Keep in mind that the minimum fundraising goal is $1,200 for a team or $120 for a volunteer. All of the info you enter on this screen can be changed later if needed. Next comes the appeal, where you try to make your team look as good as possible. This is the bulk of your page, the stuff donors will read, so make sure that whatever you write is effective. First things first, Ella is going to write down the names of all her group members so that when family members donate to their page, they know that they are donating to the right place. There's text there already to help you through this important step. State the purpose, make it personal, show your gratitude, be concise, and make it look good. We understand that the task of making this team page can be challenging, especially if you're new to this. Like Ella, you may find yourself restarting or stuck wondering what to write, which is why we've made an example team page to inspire you. It's called Scona Example, and it's all set up for your reference. Feel free to use any text or images we have on this example page or on any of our websites. However, this is just an example of what you could do. Be sure to make your team page your own so that donors feel more connected to you. Ella has now completed her team page. She can share it right away with her family and friends, but wants to see the finished product first. If you want to see what it looks like for yourself before you invite others to see, you can hit All Done and view your new page. From here, you can either hit Edit Page on the purple bar or the icon in the top right to access your dashboard, which is how you manage your page. After going back to her page, Ella sees a couple of mistakes that she made in her Team Appeal section. To fix these mistakes, she can hit Edit Page, then Page Appeal. Once she has made her changes, she's going to click Publish so that her changes are saved. Through Page Details, you can also change your display name and the URL of your page if you'd like to. Now, from the home page, if Ella scrolls all the way down to the bottom, she can see your team page. Finally, Ella needs to share this stellar page that she has created. To do so, she's going to go to her dashboard and click Share Page. From here, she can copy the link to send through text or email to friends and family and start fundraising online.